Sad news for Sacred Games fans. Netflix web series Sacred Games was something that has completely changed the way Indian web series were treated before. This web series saw the debut of two Bollywood actors, Saif Ali Khan and Nawazuddin Siddiqui, on the digital platform. The first season of the web series received a great response from people of not only India but around the world. This web series created huge impact on the way the digital platforms were getting response for web series. The makers of this worldwide acclaimed web series decided to make the second season of the show after the success of the first one. But sadly, the second season failed to meet up the high expectations of people. Fans of this much acclaimed series is currently waiting eagerly for the third season of the series. But the actor of the series, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, has recently revealed a sad news for the fans of Sacred Game. Let us find out the sad news revealed by Nawazuddin Siddiqui in this video. Nawazuddin Siddiqui has recently revealed during one of his interviews that he got praised a lot for his performance in the series. The actor also added that not only in India, but people in foreign countries too praised him a lot. But the worst part is that there will not be any third season of the successful series. Yes, Ganesh Gaitonde, the man himself, has revealed recently that it's an end of Sacred Game series with the second season. There will not be a next part of the series because there is nothing more to show in the series that is written in the book by Vikram Chandra's novel. The actor went on to accept the fact that the second season was not up to the mark and disappointed everyone. Nawazuddin Siddiqui has revealed that might be the intention behind making the second season was not as sincere as first one. As per his interviews, there is nothing left in Vikram Chandra's novel of the same name to be put in season 3. Which is why there will not be any third season of Sacred Games, which is a really sad news for its fan. Were you excited for third season? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.